Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
PLR Funnels review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about a software called PLR Funnels. So this is the PLR Funnels review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 2 minutes and 48 seconds long. So we'll start with the demo video, and let's forward this because they're only wasting time until here. So let's check the demo video. They are, I guess, not talking because in this video I did not have any voice. I don't know what's wrong, so just watch everything what's happening on the screen. Technically you will be creating some websites hosted on their subdomain, which will allow you to sell some PLRs, and you will be able to add your Stripe API and PayPal to accept the payment. Okay, so in case you want to sell these PLRs which you have seen and you have traffic, or you think that you can make this work in some way or the other, then maybe go and get this. My links were automatically approved before I even applied for it. So I might leave the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So if you go down below the YouTube video, click on the link which says grab PLR Funnels copy here, and then come to the sales page and take a look at this thing in your free time. Just a disclaimer, this will not make you money, but this will make you websites like these where you can add these PLRs. And if you have traffic or an audience somewhere from where you can bring people to your PLR website, and if they buy, you technically get sales, theoretically. Okay, so if you can take care of your traffic part, and if you are interested in this one of the 10,000 ways to make money by selling PLRs, it's one of the 10,000 ways. Okay, so you can go and get this. I hope you're watching the demo video and enjoying it. So these are the websites which you will be creating, I guess, with this. This is the opt-in page. Sorry, yeah. So you can create two things with this: opt-in pages plus PLR websites. And then these are your get response, and as usual, no software is completed without adding an autoresponder. So we are done with the demo video. Okay, so let's get to the sales page. It says here, PLR Funnels wanna boost your profits by tapping into huge $38 billion industry today. A brand new auto updating PLR funnel creator that comes with a giant 27,000 plus ready to sell PLR products with the sales pages, bonus pages, and opt-in pages as your own. So when it comes with sales pages, bonus pages, opt-in pages, I guess if you host on their website, then you don't need to do anything anyway. Okay, but if they give you the HTML file, index file, then you will have to host it on your primary domain into cPanel. Okay, but in case you're using the software, I guess everything will be working on their subdomain. All you will have to do is bring traffic to those PLR websites which you will be creating, and create stunning auto updating PLR funnels, this and that. Too sleepy, right? Why is it not? Okay, I will not read any of this because the sales page is super lengthy, and do not pay attention to any of these things on the sales page. They are far away from the reality. You will not get any traffic with this. You will not make any money with this, and you will not even make money with this as a freelancer, I guess. Okay, so let's get to the bottom to see if we have some frequently asked questions. If only we can get to the bottom. Price is $19 to start with. 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, do I need experience? No. Do you provide money back guarantee? 30 days. Step-by-step training, they say it's included. I doubt it. How are you different? They're not. Does your software work easily on Mac and PC? It works, yeah. Do you provide support? Always, if you believe them. Anyways, so we are done with the PLR funnel sales page, right? Concept. You come into the dashboard after purchasing a copy of PLR Funnels, then you create a website. That website will be hosted on plrfunnels.in, where you will have a lot of PDF ebooks, and your job will be to bring people to those websites. How will you bring people to those websites? Tell me. Will you run some paid ads? Will you make YouTube videos? Will you buy solo ads? How? If you are going to maybe run some paid ads, then it's a better idea to go and run some paid ads and bring that traffic to some other offer than to some PLR website. How much will you make with PLR? $8 from one sale? And you're going to run some paid traffic for that? If you're going to run some paid traffic, maybe go and promote some high ticket offer, something which is more than $100, because you have to ROI, you have to make more than what you spend on your advertising. And if you're making YouTube videos, you can sell anything. You don't have to sell PLRs, for goodness. If I'm making this YouTube video, I can sell you anything. If you go below my YouTube video, for example, here, I have so many links. I can ask you to go and buy this, or any of this. Why would I sell PLR? I'm a one-man show, okay? I am here making a YouTube video. It's my channel. Welcome to the channel, TubeCore. Subscribe, like, if you haven't done as of now, okay? Subscribe is free, like is free, it's all free. Do it, okay? So press the bell thingy, that's also free. The point being is, if I know how to generate traffic, then I don't need to worry about PLR funnels. I can sell you anything what I wish to, okay? And something more sensible than PLR funnels, okay? So in case you think that this software will be good to you in some way or the other, you will find the link below. It will be saying grab PLR funnels copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Check it out. If you want to buy this, go and buy this. Disclaimer is, this will not make you money. What makes money is traffic. Traffic means instead of worrying about what to sell, worry about whom to sell. If you have people who will buy from you, then you can sell them something else, something better, okay? And then we'll talk about these methods which will make you real money in a moment. Before that, we'll talk about the OTOs. Where are the OTOs? Right here. Front end will give you all this. OTO 1 will give you all this. OTO 2 will give you all this. 3 will give you all this. 4 will give you this. 5 will give you this. 6 will give you this. 7 will give you this. Okay, cool, clear, crystal. So if when you buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant sales pages, OT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can pick and choose there, grab whatever you need, and forget everything. If I would be you, I will not buy anything, because I make money in the most simplest and hardcore way possible. I have both the methods for you, simple as well as hardcore. This first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. This could be the simplest, because here you do not have to do anything. Okay, so this forex trading is like currency trading, where you sell currency when the price goes up. So you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. But we do all this with the help of a software which you see here on the screen. We will be installing it. So we will be setting up this virtual machine, then we will be installing the graph, then we will be setting up that software on this graph. I will be giving the settings to that software, and then that software will be working automatically, okay? So you do not have to do anything. I will be managing your account, and after that it will be completely on autopilot, okay? So if you want to know more details, click on the first link, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there to understand what this thing is all about. Because this syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly. It will be on profit sharing basis, where you do not have to do anything. I'll be managing all this for you, as I said, and I will be keeping 40% and you will be keeping 60%. To know what exactly I'm talking about, enter your details and get onto the sales page and watch those 2 videos. After that, if you will have any questions, you will be able to contact me on Skype. Do not contact me on Skype without watching those 2 videos. Then if you want to make money in the hardcore way by doing manual hard work, then you can check out this Make Money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. Make money on YouTube, do these reviews, do affiliate marketing, grow your email list, get your YouTube channel monetized, and make money on YouTube without even selling anything. Because in this video which you're watching, I am making money without even selling anything. For example, if you don't buy anything from me, still you must have seen some advertisements in this video, and these ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? So if you are willing to work manually on YouTube just like me, go and get Traffic Jarvis. If you want a shortcut method to make money without doing anything on a profit basis, check out this syndicate, okay? In the end, PLR funnels, these software will come and go, and they have got nothing to do with making money online. software, this one doesn't make money, or anything from this website called Warrior Plus, a software especially, doesn't make money. What makes money is traffic. Learn how to generate traffic. If you don't have money, you have to come on YouTube and generate free traffic by making these videos, which are free to make. You can make 10,000 videos, nobody will charge you for that on YouTube. Okay, so the more videos you make, the more people will see, the more potential you will have, the more sales you will get, but you will have to work your ass off for that. So free traffic comes from YouTube, but if you want to know how to start with YouTube, go and get Traffic Jarvis. Remember, disclaimer, lot of manual work will be required on YouTube in Traffic Jarvis to make money, but money will be made. And the first link says make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy. This is completely on autopilot, 60-40. So whatever suits your situation, check out these methods. And in the end, subscribe, like, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.